Data, whether it is in cloud or on-premises, holds the key to answer the unfathomable questions. And so, the innovative companies are considering new ways to process data and to derive meaningful insights. But with traditional business intelligence solutions, connecting to multiple data sources and transforming the information becomes an impossible mission. Cloud-based business analytics implementations, like Power BI solutions, are significant to overcome such challenges. Our Power BI development and engineering teams build custom solutions for companies to bring business-critical data to life. Analyze data, visually explore it, and make intelligent decisions through real-time, stunning dashboards. With Power BI, innovative companies can now dive into advanced analytics easily. Gaining powerful insights to predict outcomes and prevent failures of assets or operations is made simple. As a certified Microsoft Power BI partner, we help in strong BI planning and strategy. Power BI implementations uncover hidden trends and unknown correlations through stunning visuals that support intelligent decisions. IrisLogic offers a team of professional experts as Microsoft Azure and Power BI engineers and help customers fulfill all business requirements. Whether businesses are looking to build a new Power BI app, software, or improve the existing data analytics, or support Azure Cloud and DevOps, IrisLogic can help. Contact us today to find out more about how we can partner to help you navigate through this journey.